Today, we'd like to show you a couple of different reports that you can run. Specifically, we like to run some of these reports at the end of a particular winter ski season or fiscal year to get a feel for your performance. So the first one I'm going to talk about is customer demographics. The customer demographics dashboard is able to be generated from any saved list in List Builder. One that I like to do is do kind of a snapshot and overall view of all of the visitors within the current season. So you can select all season pass holders or this season's transactional event dates in your query. And then what you'll see is a demographic dashboard of the guests that visited your resort in that time frame. You'll be able to see who the guest is, where they come from, and a little bit about their spend history with you. This is a great way to not only get a feel for your overall guest demographics, but you can also build a few other views to understand core or valuable segments, such as build a specific dashboard for your current pass holders, and you can compare pass holder demographics to your overall guest mix. You can pull high value guests like RFM score of 15 or any other specific persona segments that you have, so you can kind of compare and contrast the different demographics across the different segments of guests. What you want to look for in this report are, I'll kind of go from top to bottom here. So you can see the number of guests, the number of families. You can see the emailable and mailable counts. You'll also be able to see the percentage of family to non-family and females to males or unknown in gender, so you get a little bit of a feel of who the guest is. You can see where they're from. If there's MSA or state, you'll be able to see up to the top 10 MSAs and states. And then spend and value at the bottom. You can see are guests high or low spenders, or are they kind of in the middle? Are guests spending a high amount of money with you? And also, are the guests really active? Are they known to you, or did your segment have a lot of new guests, which would be your trial list? In this view, we're seeing that a lot of guests that were previously lapsed or lost visited in this particular date range. So that's an interesting insight. And then you can also see the age breakdown in the bottom right quadrant. If you like what you saw, check out some of our other top recommendations for end of season reporting, or don't hesitate to reach out to Partner Success or your strategic account manager for more information.